Okay, we have a quarter beat. We're going to put some, what you would call, I would call loading up that quarter beat. A lot of times what you do is pull into the beat. If you pull down at the end of it all, you can just pull into the beat, into that higher corner. All right. Well, okay. It's the same kind of mud used on the bed coat, probably one sponge of water in a bucket. Only when people are watching. There's a bed coat on it. What you might do at the end of it all, run right up the corner, pull off some excess that might build up on there.
Wash your hands.
Constantly. So the rest of these standing up. Let that mud dry, I'll hammer that screw down. Ta-da! It can take a while to get used to doing it, but you can do it. Promise you. You're Americans, not Americans.